Hello everybody, welcome back to Eve's Stories. Thank you for joining us today, and if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to hit the subscription button. Let's get to the video.
Standing in the cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all.
So as we start with this living room, it's the first time I'm seeing counters in the living room, which is not open kitchen. I will assume it's because the kitchen is a little bit tiny, but this one is just something that has been added, some cabinets to increase your storage.
Standing in the cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror?
What I love about this house mostly is the wide windows.
We could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear.
So this is the kitchen, and now you see why there was an increased counter in the living room.
I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection?
And the good thing about it is it ends in 4th floor, and there are more houses in the 3rd floor and the 4th floor. This is the 1st floor.
Standing in the cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the
So another thing about it is that both the sitting room and the bedroom have two large wide windows, so the lighting is much more than what is seen in the video, because I took the video on a rainy day.
Anything to step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror?
So here is your washroom, combined washroom.
Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying. How are you acting so surprised? Haven't you seen it in my eyes? Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going?
And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and hit the subscription button as we grow to 1,000 subscribers. Bye bye, see you in the next video.
Standing in the cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all and took it for granted. Away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror? Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, So why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying. How are you acting so surprised? Haven't you seen it in my eyes? Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying. How are you acting so surprised? Haven't you seen it in my eyes? Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to